This is Mark Zero, and welcome to the February Holidays Day Show. I'm going to be interviewing some people who celebrate holidays in this month of February. I hear someone. Or you. I'm Abraham Lincoln. I was the 16th president. I helped keep the country together during the Union, during the Civil War, and I was born in Kentucky. I signed the Gettysburg Address and signed the Emancipation Proclamation to help free the slaves. My birthday is February 12th. I thought you were short and fat. I'm going to be short and fat. Look at this petty. Do I look short and fat to you? Oh, of course not. Well, think differently. I wonder who was celebrating a month in February who was short and fat. Here comes another one. Jimmy, can you tell me who you are? Yes, I am George Washington. I led the Continental Army to freedom during the Revolutionary War. And I signed the Constitution and ratified the Constitution. I was our country's first president. My birthday is February 22nd. I thought you were short and fat. Short and fat? I'm going to be short and fat. Look at this quarter. Do I look short and fat to you? No, of course not. The nerve of some people. I wonder who could be celebrating your birthday who is short and fat. Excuse me, do you know someone who could use some love? What for you? I'm Cupid. My favorite holiday is Valentine's Day. I do it to celebrate love for all people. You're Cupid? I thought you were tall and hairy. What do you think of the month of February? I love the month of February. And you look like you can use some love. Oh, no, you don't. We'll be back with another show of the February holidays and help! Welcome to presidents. Welcome presidents. It's the President's Day game. Can you tell me what's the president? Please tell me that president's name. Can you guess the president's name? It's the President's Day game. Here's someone. Tell me, Mr. President, what did you do? What did you do to fame? I helped lead the Continental Army to freedom. I was our country's first president. I signed the Constitution and ratified the Constitution. Can you guess the president's name? It's the President's Day game. Okay, time's up. Who's this president? George Washington! George Washington is our president. He did a lot to help this land. George Washington is our president. Come on, give yourselves a hand. Can you guess this president's name? It's the President's Day game. Can you guess who is this president? What did he do for this day fame? I was born in Kentucky. I helped keep the United States together during the Union, during the Civil War. I signed the Emancipation Proclamation about freedom for slaves. And I gave the Gettysburg Address. Can you guess the president's name? It's the President's Day game. Okay, time's up. Who is this president? Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is our president. He did a lot for this land. Let's give thanks to these two presidents. Come on, give yourselves a hand. Can you guess? You that played the president's game. Have a happy President's Day.